Alright, what do you do if you want to plant something, but your cover crop is in the way? So I was at the hardware store, and I saw these snow peas. And they say plant in January. Well, it's January right now. But I've got this cover crop taking up all my good soil. So I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to take my little hand hoe and we're going to start chopping. So I'm going to just clear out a little section. See that little fly right there? Or a wasp or something? He was hiding in my cover crop. That's encouraging. That's pretty cool. It was providing habitat, even in this little area. Alright. This little tool is awesome because it can chop, it can scrape, it kind of can go deep with a spike like that. I really like it. Alright, so I'm just going to do a couple little rows here. Space them at like 6 inches or so. Alright, and I'll just kind of scatter them evenly spaced-ish. I need one there. If I ever see a blank spot, I'll just drop one. And then it's just as simple as push them into the dirt. And then you can water it in if you want. It's been raining here. See how these chickens like this stuff. I'm guessing they will like it, but they may have never seen anything this delicious before. How you like that, chickens? Yeah, I think they like it. That one's eating up a whole blade of oats. Well, that's good. I was starting to think these chickens were defective a little bit, but oh, that one's going for this flowering head on the chia plant. Interesting. Alright, chickens, enjoy your little salad.